Anatomy introduction. Anatomy introduction. Study of the structure of the human body. Anatomy means the study of the structure of the human body. That is, understanding the organs, tissues, and their relationships. Branches of anatomy. 1. Gross anatomy. 2. Microscopic anatomy. 3. Clinical anatomy. Anatomy is studied under 3 main branches: gross anatomy, which can be seen with the naked eye; microscopic anatomy, which is studied with the help of microscope; and clinical anatomy, which is applied in medical practice. Cell, tissue, organ system, human body. To study the human body, we use levels of organization. The smallest unit is the cell, then tissues, organ systems, and finally the complete human body.